it's Tara Allen with the Allen Edge Real Estate Team at Keller Williams Realty. And today I wanted to talk to you about when is the right time to sell your home. I've been getting this question a lot. In fact, I got a call this morning from a past client asking the same question. So let's talk about that today. Let me share with you what I shared with my seller this morning. Now is the perfect time to get your home on the market. Inventory is still at an all-time low at 2.6 months supply of inventory. What that means is if all of the homes that were on the market right now sold and no new listings came on, within 2.5 months, all of our inventory would be gone. And at any time, an influx of homes could come on the market. So get it on and beat the rush. As well as interest rates are still low, which is encouraging for buyers. And we can tell they're ready to buy. Our open houses are picking up and we're getting lots of calls. So don't miss the chance to get your home on the market while inventory is still low. So if you've been thinking about selling, definitely give us a call. Even if you know your home isn't exactly ready, we would love to meet with you. We can start our Coming Soon campaign, and this way you wouldn't miss any buyers that might be out there now. Let us know if you have any questions at all. We're here to help. Again, it's Tara Allen with the Allen Edge Real Estate Team. And I want to thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Thanks.